Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. We are doing the Minimalist and Declutter Challenge for the month. Our host is Organized with Joy. Please check out her channel and all the amazing creators in my description box. If you haven't, please subscribe. I do a ton of decluttering, cleaning videos on this channel, actually every Tuesday, and then a few in between. We are doing some different decluttering this month. First, I cleaned my kitchen. I did a deep clean of my kitchen, and I have a few things there. I also cleaned out my pantry, seen what I knew I would never use, and me and my husband donated some items to our local blessing box for those that need a little help. You know, things are tough right now. A lot of people do. And also, we started to clean out our garage, and I have a few boxes that was in my Etsy shop that I closed a month ago that I'm getting rid of. We are going to start out with what I found when I deep cleaned my kitchen. This is a koozie for my KitchenAid. It always was threw back in the corner and never actually put it in the KitchenAid, so I might as well let it go. I got these for my front porch, and my husband got a set. He was right, I was wrong. You have this on video. These are way too big, so I'm gonna let these go, even though they're brand new. They won't fit my porch. I have a set of these. They're supposed to be for dog treats. I don't have that many dogs. I have that many dogs, but not that many treats. I have some tumblers I'm getting rid of. Actually, 3 of them because they have my business name on them. I have my Stanley, and I use my one Stanley, and that's it. I'm a Stanley snob now. You can call me that. I'm a Stanley snob. I have it's not even a real Stanley. It's a Tamus fake Stanley mug that I love, and that's all I use. I'm also getting rid of these salt and pepper shakers because I have 2 sets on my counter, and we're gonna just let all this stuff go away. All the lids are already in the box. And same with this lid here, it's in the box too. We're gonna just let this stuff go. Okay, we are going to our local blessing box, and we're gonna donate one of these cereals. We're gonna donate some mac and cheese that was in our pantry, some corn chips, and some ramen noodles. It's a lot of extra things that in our pantry that we're just not using right now, so we thought we would declutter and give it to somebody that could use it. We found a couple more things, and we're gonna donate some graham crackers because we buy a lot of this stuff at Costco's. For 2 people, sometimes the amount is just too much. It's kind of nice to pass it on to help somebody else. Okay, I'm starting to clean out the garage here, and I'm getting rid of this box and these 3 boxes, this box of all stuff that used to be in my Etsy shop, and the Etsy and I closed it. And all of these boxes are gone. I just began to get rid of stuff from the garage. So I may have 1 load of stuff I decluttered this month. I didn't do as much this month as I did last.